Just want to show the way I redid this trommel. I put a 12-volt motor on it. This is a windshield wiper motor. It's a brand new one you can get on eBay for like 20-25 bucks. This one here fits an old Pontiac. You want something that fits an older vehicle, that way you know it works the big wipers. So what I want to show here is how I redid these ripples in here. I've got these scrolls that kind of, see how it's shaped like that? And then I filled it in with small pieces of 3/4 inch angle. And I got some expanded metal in there too. And then here's my traditional ripples at the end. So far, these have actually done a better job of cleaning out the material, the loose stuff going out and leaving the gold than these have. So I may redo this the same way. This up here, I have a screen to go in here. I'm gonna try it this time without the screen, because most of my gold is actually falling from here to here instead of catching much up here. Of course, that's just gold hog matting. Let me get everything running and I'll show you how it does.